Okay, so make sure that the straight is the outside, the same as this. Now if you push it in, you can see the springing motion. So you plug it in. So when it's locked, that's when we can pull it out. So it's very easy to pull it out. So now we need to move this one all the way back, and we're going to put this one down. So we're going to need to unplug the optical. So we're going to remove the optical. And then this one here, we should remove this one too, so it's easier. So we should remove two of these down here. So we're going to remove the big cable connector here. You have to press this and unplug it, pull it out. It will snap out. Okay, so this is the back. So we're going to pull this one out also, because we're going to need to connect the... Okay, so this is the big connector. This one is the optical. These two are LVDS, and these are antenna. Okay, so now we're gonna see where we can put that box. So there's a lot of room in the back here that we can put the box. So let's go. So this big connector here, we're gonna hook it up to this male from, when it snaps in place, make sure it's locked. And then the other side, we're gonna put to the original. So when we press it in completely, we can lock it now. So make sure it's locked. Now on the AC controller, we need to remove this big connector. In order to do that, we need to pull the red one up so that we can press it. So just use the finger to pry it up. Now we can press this release to take it out. So this is the original connector. So we're going to plug the connector from the bundle to there and plug the other one back in. Okay, so now all the big two connectors are done. All we need to do is to plug everything back in. Now we need to do the LVDS. So this one is the original gray LVDS. So we're going to plug it in here. So the one with the two output, plug into the black box, not the single one. Single one we plug into the head unit on the gray. So the white cable we